Deserts, vast, desolate landscapes. They evoke a sense of mystery and adventure. These are places of extremes. They test the limits of life. Yet deserts are far from barren wastelands. They are teeming with unique life forms. Deserts have captivated explorers for centuries. They inspire awe and wonder. Their beauty lies in their stark simplicity. From towering sand dunes to rugged mountains, deserts offer breathtaking vistas. These landscapes have been featured in countless films and documentaries. They provide a dramatic backdrop for stories of survival and resilience. Who can forget the iconic images from Lawrence of Arabia? Deserts hold a powerful allure. They invite us to explore the unknown. They remind us of the power and fragility of life on Earth.
Deserts are defined by their lack of precipitation. They receive less than 10 inches of rainfall per year. This aridity is the defining characteristic of deserts. But deserts are not all the same. They can be hot or cold. They can be covered in sand, rock, or ice. Hot deserts like the Sahara are found near the tropics. Cold deserts like the Gobi occur at higher latitudes and altitudes. Despite their differences, all deserts share one common feature. They are incredibly dry environments. This lack of moisture has a profound impact on the plants and animals that live there.
Water is essential for life. Yet in deserts it is a precious and scarce resource. The lack of rainfall creates a constant challenge for desert organisms. Plants and animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in these arid conditions. Some plants have deep roots to tap into underground water sources. Others have developed ways to store water in their leaves or stems. Animals have also adapted to conserve water. Many desert animals are nocturnal. They avoid the heat of the day and emerge to forage at night. Some, like the kangaroo rat, can survive for months without drinking water.
Hot deserts are found in the subtropical regions of the world. These are areas of intense solar radiation and very low rainfall. Temperatures can soar well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. At night, the temperature can drop dramatically, sometimes below freezing. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is the largest hot desert on Earth. It stretches over 3.6 million square miles. The Arabian Desert in Western Asia is another example of a vast hot desert. Hot deserts are characterized by their extreme temperatures, low humidity, and sparse vegetation. These conditions make them some of the harshest environments on Earth.
Despite the challenges, the Sahara is home to a surprising array of life. Plants and animals have evolved remarkable strategies to survive in this extreme environment. The iconic Saharan silver ant is a marvel of adaptation. It has a heat-reflecting exoskeleton that allows it to forage for food during the hottest part of the day. The fennec fox, with its large ears, is another example of desert adaptation. Its ears help to dissipate heat and keep the fox cool. Plants like the Welwitschia mirabilis have adapted to thrive in the Namib Desert, a coastal desert bordering the Sahara. This extraordinary plant has only 2 leaves that grow continuously throughout its lifetime, which can span thousands of years.
Section 6. The Arabian Sands, a tapestry of wonders. The Arabian Desert, stretching across the Arabian Peninsula, is another hot desert teeming with life. It is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species. The Arabian oryx, a large antelope, has adapted to obtain moisture from the plants it eats. The desert jerboa, a small rodent, has long hind legs for jumping and a long tail for balance. It is also nocturnal, emerging from its burrow at night to forage for food. These are just a few examples of the incredible adaptations that allow life to thrive in this seemingly inhospitable environment.
Section 7. The frigid embrace. Venturing into cold deserts. Cold deserts, also known as temperate deserts, are found in the mid-latitudes and high-altitude regions of the world. These deserts experience cold winters and short, dry summers. The Gobi Desert in Central Asia is a prime example of a cold desert. It is a vast expanse of rock and gravel with little vegetation. The Atacama Desert in South America is another type of cold desert. It is considered the driest place on Earth, with some areas receiving no rainfall for decades.
Section 8. Life on ice, the Gobi and Antarctic deserts. Despite the freezing temperatures and lack of precipitation, life persists in cold deserts. The Gobi Desert is home to the Bactrian camel, a two-humped camel that has adapted to survive the harsh winters and hot summers. The snow leopard, a highly endangered cat, roams the high peaks of the Gobi, preying on wild sheep and goats. Even the Antarctic, the coldest and driest continent on Earth, supports life. Lichens and mosses grow on exposed rocks, while penguins and seals thrive in the surrounding waters.
Section 9. Conclusion. Guardians of our planet. Deserts, both hot and cold, are integral parts of our planet's ecosystem. They play a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. They are also home to a wealth of biodiversity with plants and animals that have adapted to survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. These fragile ecosystems are facing increasing threats from climate change, desertification, and human activities. It is our responsibility to protect these unique and vital habitats for future generations. Let us cherish these desolate yet beautiful landscapes and the life they sustain. Let us learn from the resilience of desert life and strive to live in greater harmony with our planet.